So today we're going to be trying the Santa Clara 1830 Gran Reservas in the Quino size. It's available in three sizes. They come in the Robusto, a 5 by 50 ring gauge, the number 4, which is a 5 by 44 ring gauge, and the Quino, which is a 4 1/4 by a 30 ring gauge. They come in this nice black lacquered presentation box. 20 up in the box. A double row of 10. So let's take a look inside. Ten and 10, each individually cellophaned and double banded. So it makes these the Gran Reserva. Santa Clara says, Puros Santa Clara has selected and saved the best crop from 1999 and kept it in a special room for a slow aging, and now it's time to work this tobacco and convert it into an exceptional cigar, proudly named the Santa Clara 1830 Gran Reserva. Let's take a look at one. So these are made with a Piloto Cubano, a Cuban seed and San Andreas filler, Reserva filler. The binder is a San Andreas Morron Reserva filler. And the wrapper is a Rosado claro. Also comes in a Maduro, but I have not seen the Maduros available. Only these Rosado claro wrappers. So tasting notes, according to the website: almonds and chocolate combine sweetness and character to make this a unique cigar and an unforgettable experience. I must say, being the first third in, I'm definitely getting chocolatey notes, a sweetness to it definitely. I don't know if you can see, but the wrapper is also very toothy. Very nice wrapper. Nice amount of smoke too. You always have to be careful with these smaller ring gauges not to overheat the cigar, which is always a tempting thing to do when you're trying to draw more smoke. But this is very enjoyable. I would say probably about a 20-30 minute smoke you can get out of this. So about half the way through now, and the flavor is definitely developed nicely. Definitely getting some toasted almond flavor now. Beautiful wrapper, oily, very tasty, and the smoke is really just developed nicely on this cigar. This also comes in a Robusto size, and now I'm very curious to try the Robusto size as well. To give you an idea, right now this box of 20 was $1,130 pesos, so about 66 US for a box, about a little over $3 a stick. For this, how can you beat that? Perfect smoke with your coffee in the morning. Really impressed by these. Really impressed by these. So, I'm just about to remove the first band. And I just wanted to leave you with some final thoughts on these Santa Clara Gran Reservas. If you have a chance, I definitely recommend these. Excellent cigar. If you like the Santa Clara 1830s, you'll definitely like these Gran Reservas. Just such a more nuanced and tasty smoke. Kudos, Santa Clara. These are excellent. As always, everyone, thank you for watching. Enjoy, and long ashes, everyone. Ciao.